It is Monday night and I am about to start dinner. It's officially fall in Minnesota. I think it's like 55 degrees out tonight. So I decided to make one of my favorite soups ever. It is my lasagna soup, which I know I've made on here before, but it's just like a classic. It's so good. And I actually follow a recipe. So all the recipes that I follow throughout this video, I will put in the description if you guys want to try them out at home. But yeah, I thought I would just walk you guys through my week and show you guys what I'm eating. So tonight we're gonna start with some lasagna soup.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half for you was 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps you,
Good morning. So for breakfast this morning, I'm gonna cut up a bunch of fresh fruit. I have pineapple, strawberries, and apples. Fresh fruit has been like my #1 craving this entire pregnancy so far, especially blueberries. I feel like I could eat those like by the cartonful every day, which I never was like that with blueberries before. So that's really all I've been really craving that I've noticed. So I'm gonna cut up a bunch of fresh fruit just to have for the week, and then I'm also going to make a couple hard-boiled eggs just to keep me full for longer, because I've noticed that I can't eat like a ton in one sitting, but I feel like I need to eat like 5 or 6 times a day because I'm like always hungry. So that's kind of what I'm learning, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this fruit.
days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half for you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be.
It is lunchtime now, and I'm actually just gonna keep it really easy and do leftovers from last night, which we made the lasagna soup. One, it's super quick and easy, and seriously like one of my favorite foods. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. Here is a better look at the soup. So you create the soup and then you add noodles at the end, and also put some mozzarella, ricotta, and parmesan at the bottom. And it is one of our favorite soups ever. It's so good. Good morning, guys. I am about to start breakfast, which this morning I woke up so hungry, so I think I'm gonna make a bigger breakfast today than I did the other day, just because I woke up feeling like I could eat everything. So I think I'm gonna make an avocado toast with an egg, maybe a side of hash brown, maybe some fruit. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna kind of just start cooking and see what happens. But yeah, just so hungry this morning, so let's start cooking. definitely not the prettiest meal I've made on here, but like I said, I'm starving. So this is just avocado toast and then an egg with jalapeno and some everything but the bagel seasoning, which I don't use a ton, but it sounded good today. Some more of the pineapple that I cut up earlier this week, and then these are hash browns from Trader Joe's. They're so similar to the ones that you can get at McDonald's, which I hate McDonald's breakfast, but these little things are so good. So I'm just gonna put some hot sauce on the hash brown, maybe a little ketchup, and that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Okay, it is lunchtime, and since I had a bigger breakfast, I just wanted something a little bit lighter for lunch, and I've been craving sushi. So last night we actually made these nori kind of like sushi wraps. I just did mine vegetarian because obviously I can't have like raw tuna or anything right now, so I'm basically gonna just have leftovers for lunch. We made a bunch of rice, I have a bunch of vegetables, and then these are the little nori wraps that we used. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make probably like 3 of them, and that is what I'm gonna have for lunch.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here.